Hello friends, today in this lecture I will discuss about some more problems based on area and mensuration. For example, this is a question which is asked in December 2015 and the question is there is an inner circle and an outer circle around a square. What is the ratio of the area of outer circle to that of the inner circle? It means that you have a square and within this square there is a circle and out of this square there is a circle. So now we have to find the ratio of outer circle area to the ratio of area of the inner circle. Now I have to find the area of both circle, outer circle and inner circle. Now how I will find this area? So first of all I will draw perpendicular from the center of both circle because the center of both circle is coincide at a point say O. Now if you draw perpendicular or a radius on this line and this is a chord of this bigger circle, so it will divide this chord BD in two equal parts, and this will be, if we suppose that the side of square is A, so it will be, suppose this is N, so this BN is just A by 2 and this BN is nothing but equal to this OL and OL is radius of inner circle. So the area of inner circle will be, एरिया AI आपका हो जाएगा पाई इंटू RI square. This means pi into A by 2 square. This means pi A square by 4, equation 1. Now I have to find the area of the outer circle. So first of all I have to find the radius of the outer circle and this is nothing but OB, and OB is what? Half of the diagonal of square, and the diagonal of square is BC is given as A root 2, where A is the side of the square. So the half of this means radius of outer is A root 2 by 2. So area, this is area of inner circle pi A square by 4 and area of outer circle is pi RO square. This means pi into A root 2 by 2 square. This means pi A square by 2. Now I have to find the ratio of the outer circle area to the inner circle area. Now it's very clear that pi A square by 2 is 2 pi A square by 4. This is nothing but 2:1 or simply 2. So option is B. So this is a question which is asked in December 2015, and in this question given that there is a square and there is an outer circle and inner circle, and you have to find the ratio of the area of the outer circle to the inner circle. So first of all you will find the radius of both circles. For inner circle you will draw perpendicular from center to this chord BD of the bigger circle and it will divide into two parts. This will be the radius of inner circle, and for bigger circle radius you will just take this diagonal of the square because you have a square and this is outer circle, so the radius is just half of this diagonal. Because this is diagonal is just a diameter of this bigger circle, so the half of this diagonal is radius of the bigger circle, and this is nothing but root 2A by 2. Root 2A is diagonal of the square. If you have a square, suppose A, so by Pythagoras theorem you can easily calculate this A square plus A square is just 2A square, and you will take root and square root, so it will be just root 2A. So this is the body diagonal and half of it will be the radius of the bigger circle. So in this way you can calculate the area of both the circles and then you can take the ratio, so the answer will be 2. So this is the method. So friends, if you like this video then please subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for more updates. Now we will come to the next question. The question is, the midpoint of the arc of a semicircle is connected by two straight lines. There are two straight lines. Say give the names A, B, C, BA and AC. and to the ends of the diameter. These are the end, B and C are the ends of the diameter. What is the ratio of the shaded area to the area of the triangle? And you should remember that the questions based on the area will be mostly on the ratio, or maybe you have, or maybe given a figure and you have to ask that find out the area of this shaded and so on. So these are the very frequently asked question in CSIR net, and this is from CSIR net 2000 December 2016. So now first of all I will calculate the area of this triangle and then calculate the area of this semicircle and if we subtract the area of this semicircle from this triangle, so we will get this shaded portion. So this is a method. So first of all I will calculate the area of the triangle. Suppose this is R. R is just radius of this semicircle, so this BC will be 2R. So area of ABC triangle will be. So now to calculate the area of this triangle, we will just apply the basic formula of the area of triangle, that is 1/2 of base into height. So base is nothing but BC. BC is 2R. So 2R, and height is just radius of this semicircle and this R. So you will cancel out this 2 and 2. This will be area of the triangle ABC. Now you have to calculate this area of shaded portion. So first of all you will calculate the area of the semicircle, and this is nothing but 1/2 of the area of circle. So it will be just 1/2 of pi r square. So this is pi r square by 2. Now you for the area of this shaded portion, you will just subtract the area of the semicircle from this triangle. So you will get just pi by 2 r square minus ka pi by 2 r square minus ka r square. So this will be just pi by 2 minus 1. You have to common, you have taken common r square and this. So now I have to find the what is the ratio of the shaded area to the area of the triangle. So area of the shaded portion is pi by 2 minus 1 r square, and the ratio will be just divided by the area of the triangle, that is r square. So r square r square will be cancelled out and you will get just pi by 2 minus 1. So the answer is option A. So this is very simple. You have to just calculate the area of both the portions, shaded portion and area of the triangle, and then you have to take the ratio. So it's very easy question. Guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe, share and hit the bell icon and like the video. Now come to the next question. This is equilateral triangle are drawn one inside the other as shown. What is the ratio of the two shaded areas? This is the one shaded portion and this is the second shaded portion. This is very simple and logical question. You have to just see and find out the ratio of these circles. You have not to do any calculation in this question. First of all, take this DCF. In this right angle triangle, you have just divide these bigger ABC in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 parts of the bigger triangle. So one part of this triangle is triangle D, C and F. Now these smaller triangle, in these 4 triangles there is another triangle EFD, and this is again divided in 4 parts. Say these are the points, say PQR. So this triangle is divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the ratio of the area of these triangles will be simply ratio of DCF into ratio of the area of the PQR will be just 1/4, because first of all the bigger triangle divided in 4 parts. So suppose that the area will be X. So suppose that this triangle has area X, and these triangles made in equilateral triangle, so these have all equal areas. Now if you divide this triangle in 4 parts, say this triangle is divided into 4 parts, so the area will be divided in 4 equal parts. So area of this PQR will be just X by 4. So the ratio is 4:1. So simply the answer will be C. Now come to the next question. There is given that 4 circles of unit radius. So of what? Unit radius. That means radius is 1. Each are drawn such that each one touches 2 others. What? Each one means one touches 2 others and their centers lie on the vertices of a square. The area of the region enclosed by the circle is. This means you have 4 circles drawn at the corner of a square and one touches two, means this touches this and this. So similarly, now you have to find the shaded portion. So for to calculate this shaded portion, you will first find the area of this square. So area of the square is just arm square, and arm is nothing but AB square, and AB is what? 2 into radii of a circle. So it will be just 2 square because radii is 1. So it will be just 4. 1. Now you have to find the area of this quarter of the circle. The area of the, so you have calculated just the area of square basically by the arm square. So arm is nothing but 2 into radii square because this is radii and radii is unity, so it will be 1. 2 into 1 square means 4. So this is equation 1. Now you have to calculate the area of this 1 quarter of the semicircle. It will be just 1 by 4 of the area of the circle. So 1 by 2 into pi a square, and ia is 1 because radius is 1, so it will be pi by 4. Now you have to just calculate the area of the shaded portion. There are 4 quarters, so you have to just multiply this by 4. So now the exact value of this area, means this quarters of the circle, will be just pi by 4 into 4, this means pi. Now the shaded portion area will be the area of square minus the area of these quarter circles. So just 4 minus the area of these quarters means pi. 4 minus pi. So answer will be just D. So this is very simple question. You have to just calculate the area of the square, and then you have to calculate the area of these quarter of the circle, and then you have to subtract both, then you will get the shaded portion. In this question, December 2012, this is asked that AFC is triangle. So AFC is a triangle with vertices AFC in a cube A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, which has all sides equal to A. Now you have to find the area of this AFC. So AFC is nothing but you have to join these sides AFC, and from this figure you are very clearly seeing that this AFC is nothing but area by joining the diagonals of the square, and square is of side AAA. So the diagonal of square is nothing but root 2a, as I have told you in the first question. So the area of an equilateral triangle, because it becomes an equilateral triangle, so area of an equilateral triangle is nothing but root 10 by 4 into side square, and side is root 2a square, so it will be root 3 by 4 into 2a square. This means root 3 by 2a square. So area of this triangle is root 3 by 2a square. So this is your answer. So guys, if you like this video, then please share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.